Hi Maureen, my name is Amy Wells, Internet Manager at De Sola Nissan Subaru in Pueblo, Colorado. Thank you for your online inquiry on the 2011 Subaru Forester. Along with this email, you will see a quote for your 2011 Subaru Forester. Please call me at your convenience to schedule an appointment with one of our certified Subaru specialists. My phone number is 719-545-4145. And if anyone should beat my price, please call me and let me know immediately. Because my #1 goal is to make sure you get the car you want, at the price you want, and in a timely manner. And I can promise you that no one else on this planet will work harder for you than I will to make sure you leave here a happy and loyal customer. I look forward to speaking with you and meeting with you soon.